How to remove image background using AI. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply go to Google Chrome browser. You guys can use any different browser. So I'll simply click on Google Chrome. Here you guys will simply open new tab. Simply click on new tab. Now here you guys will simply search for remove bg. So I'll simply search for remove bg. Here you guys can see remove.bg. So simply click on that website. Once we click here you guys will see that type of interface. So simply click on upload image. Now you guys will simply upload the image that you want to remove background. Now after that you guys will wait for some seconds. So let's wait for some seconds, like 10 or 5 seconds. And here we go, our image background was removed. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching. For saving that image, you guys will simply click on download option on down side. You guys can see on down left side download. So simply click on that, and once we click on that, that's it. Our image will be start downloading. So that's how you guys can remove background of photos using AI. Thanks for watching.